Fresh out of the mail, the Axial scx10 Deadbolt. We're going to unbox it and see what's inside. Stay tuned. First thing I see, I really like the box this comes in. You know, it shows the actual truck, all the information on it. Really cool packaging from Axial. They did a great job here. Let's open this up and see what's inside. First thing we see, really nice manual here from Axial. Comes with the manual for the transmitter also. This is really cool. This is actually my first Axial truck. You got all these extra parts. Lots of extra parts here that Axial gives you. I think that's really cool of them. I see a wide variety of extra things. Extra suspension parts. I see some extra trailing arms. There's the extra heads for the driver inside. Let's set this aside for now. Here's the Tactic. Here's the Tactic transmitter. It's got your steering and throttle trims. Power on button. I like the way it feels. It feels pretty cool in the hands. Next up, the part we all want to see, the truck itself. The truck on the inside comes with a really nice packaging and boxing. They kind of have it framed out. I think that looks really neat. Let's get in close and see what it looks like. Alright, we're gonna get in here a little closer and show this truck off. Alright, we got the body off of it. Give you a little idea of the inside of the truck. Comes with the new Axial AE5 ESC, the method wheels. I like the battery tray there. That's a good looking battery tray. The Tactic servo that comes with it. Neato trail grabber tires. The tires feel pretty good, I think, for the stock tires. My first Axial vehicle. I really like the Axial body clips with the tabs on them. Alright, so we'll get this unboxed. Time to take it out and use it. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll be posting videos of this thing trailing and rock crawling. Stay tuned for that. Thank you.